Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to make delicious and crunchy coconut chin chin. And to get started, you will need flour. I'm using all-purpose flour, sugar, coconut. I'm using whole coconut. You can use the dried one as well. Coconut oil, and you can use any oil of your choice. Eggs, salt, baking powder, nutmeg. Here I have the coconut crack already. I'm gonna be taking them out of the shelf, and to do that you will need a knife that is not too sharp to do this so you don't hurt yourself, like so. And I will take out the back skin of the coconut as well. And cut it into smaller pieces so it will be easy for the blender to work. And I will repeat this process until I am done. So here is all the coconut, and I'll be transferring the coconut into a blender. Add water. And I will blend it until it is smooth. And that is done. In a large bowl, add 5 cups of flour, half a cup of sugar, teaspoon of baking powder, teaspoon of salt, and grating some nutmeg. You can use any flavor of your choice. If you don't like nutmeg, you can leave nutmeg out as well. And whisk all the dry ingredients together until everything is well combined. In another bowl, crack in 2 eggs and whisk the eggs together. If you don't eat eggs, you can leave eggs out as well. In another bowl, add 1 cup of coconut oil, and you can also use butter as well. I'll take it to the microwave for about 10 seconds to melt it up. So here is out of the microwave. It's not warm, it still have the room temperature, but is melted a little bit. Create a well into the bowl. Add the coconut oil. And the blended coconuts. Add the eggs and mix everything together until you get a dough. If you need to add water, you can add a little bit of water, but I will not be adding any water to this one because the water I used in blending the coconut was enough. And I will use my hands to mix it together, and my hands are washed already. And the dough should look like this, not too hard and not too soft. I will sprinkle in some flour. Cover the dough and leave it to rest for about 10 minutes so the gluten and the flour can relax. And it's been 10 minutes. Flour the work surface and transfer the dough there. Knead the dough for about 15 to 20 seconds. You do not need to over knead the dough, if not the chin chin will get too hard. Divide the dough into two and work with one at a time. Flour the work surface and roll out the chin chin dough. I'll be using a pizza cutter to cut the chin chin. You can use a knife and you can cut into your desired shapes and sizes as well. And I want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you all so much. You all are amazing. And if you are not subscribed, please subscribe. Put on the notification bell, which will enable you to get notification each time I upload video. And feel free to share my videos with your loved ones and to like the videos as well. And remove the cut ones from the work surface and repeat the process with the other half. At this point, you want to make sure your oil is already preheating to deep fry the chin chin. And that is done. Here I have the chin chin on the tray and they are ready for frying. I will drop one of the cut chin chin into the oil to check if the oil is hot, and once the oil is hot, I'll transfer the chin chin into the oil and fry the chin chin on medium heat. Stir to prevent the chin chin from sticking together in the oil. Allow the chin chin to fry until they are golden brown. And once the chin chin are golden brown, take them out of the oil and transfer the chin chin into a strainer lining with paper towel. I will use a strainer to clean the oil before adding the next batch. And stir. Once they are golden brown, take them out of the oil. And that is done. Transfer the chin chin into a tray. Spread them out and allow them to cool down before storing it, and the chin chin is ready. Here I have the chin chin packed already. They are super delicious, very crunchy. You can give them out as gift to people. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.